Your brain is already manifesting your reality, whether you like it or not. Most people think manifestation is just about wishing for something, and the universe will magically deliver it. That's not how it works. Neuroscience confirms what ancient wisdom has said all along. Our thoughts, emotions, and subconscious beliefs shape our reality. But here's the problem. Your conscious mind might want success, love, or abundance. But if your subconscious mind is wired for fear, doubt, or scarcity, your brain will block it before it even starts. That's the #1 mistake that keeps people stuck. In this video, I'll show you 5 powerful brain hacks backed by neuroscience to rewire your mind for manifestation. By the end, you'll know exactly how to stop sabotaging your desires and start attracting what you want, fast. But before we talk about how to train your brain to see opportunities, we need to address the real problem. If your subconscious beliefs don't support your desires, your brain will block them before they even reach you. That's why the first step is reprogramming your subconscious mind. Brain hack #1. Reprogram your subconscious mind. Have you ever felt like no matter how hard you try to manifest something, it just doesn't happen? That's because your conscious mind and subconscious mind aren't in sync. Your conscious mind is the logical part of your brain, the part that sets goals and says, I want success, love, or abundance. But your subconscious mind is where your deep-rooted beliefs live. And here's the problem. It's running 95% of your daily thoughts and behaviors. If your subconscious is wired with fear, self-doubt, or limiting beliefs, it will block your manifestation efforts. Not because manifestation doesn't work, but because your subconscious rejects what you're asking for. This is where neuroplasticity comes in. Neuroplasticity is your brain's ability to rewire itself based on repeated thoughts and behaviors. Your brain strengthens the pathways you use the most, whether they help you or hold you back. If you constantly think, I'm not good enough, your brain reinforces that belief, making it feel more real. But the good news is that you can rewire your subconscious to align with what you actually want. Science backs this up. Research shows that techniques like hypnotherapy and positive affirmations can reprogram negative thought patterns into positive ones by influencing subconscious beliefs and behaviors. One way to start reprogramming your subconscious is with the thought reframe exercise. First, identify a limiting belief that's holding you back. Next, rewrite it into an empowering belief that aligns with the reality you want to create. Say it out loud every morning for 7 days. For example, if you often think, I'm not good enough, reframe it as, I am capable and deserving of success. Or if you've believed, money is hard to come by, shift it to, wealth flows to me easily. Once you've started shifting your subconscious beliefs, the next step is making sure your brain actually notices the opportunities that align with them. If your subconscious is now wired for success, but your brain is still filtering out possibilities, manifestation remains blocked. That's where the Reticular Activating System comes in. Brain hack #2. Train your mind to spot opportunities. Imagine you're thinking about buying a new car. Suddenly, you start seeing that exact model everywhere. Did those cars magically appear? No. Your brain just started noticing them. That's your Reticular Activating System, or RAS, at work. It's the part of your brain that acts like a filter, deciding what's important and what to ignore. Your brain is constantly processing millions of bits of information every second, but your RAS only lets in what aligns with your existing beliefs and focus. This is why manifestation isn't just about thinking positive. It's about training your RAS to focus on the right things. If you keep telling yourself, I never have enough money, your RAS will highlight everything that confirms that belief. Bills, financial stress, missed opportunities. But if you shift your focus to, I always find new ways to attract abundance, your RAS will start filtering reality to show you ideas, opportunities, and people who can help you create wealth. Neuroscience backs this up. Studies show that the RAS prioritizes information based on what you repeatedly think about, reinforcing your reality. Dr. James Doty, a Stanford neurosurgeon and author of the book Mind Magic, The Neuroscience of Manifestation and How It Changes Everything, explains that intentionally directing your focus rewires your brain for manifestation. This means the more you consciously direct your focus, the more your brain works in your favor, but only if you program it correctly. One simple way to start rewiring your RAS is through this simple awareness shift exercise. Every morning, write down 3 things you want to notice today. This could be new opportunities, moments of kindness, or signs that your manifestation is unfolding. Stay mindful of them throughout the day. At the end of the day, reflect on what showed up. Now that your subconscious mind is rewired and your brain is spotting new opportunities, there's one thing that can still block manifestation: your emotions. If your nervous system is stuck in stress mode, your brain focuses on survival, not success. That's why next, we'll reset your nervous system so your mind and body are fully aligned for manifestation. Brain hack number 3, master your emotions and nervous system. You can think positive thoughts all day, repeat affirmations, and visualize your dream life. But if your nervous system is in survival mode, your brain blocks manifestation. That's because your brain isn't wired to create when it's stuck in fight or flight mode. Your limbic system, the part of your brain responsible for emotions, is constantly scanning for threats. When you're feeling stressed, anxious, or fearful, your brain releases cortisol, the stress hormone. When cortisol levels are elevated, your body remains on high alert, prioritizing survival over growth. This blocks creativity, intuition, and openness to opportunities. If your nervous system is dysregulated, your brain is too focused on immediate threats to manifest the future you desire. The good news is that you can train your nervous system to support your manifestation goals. Research has shown that specific breathing techniques can directly influence the autonomic nervous system, shifting the body from stress mode to a state of calm. A 2020 study published in the Frontiers of Psychiatry found that slow-paced breathing increases parasympathetic activity, which is linked to relaxation and reduced anxiety. This means that by adjusting your breath, you can rewire your nervous system to be more receptive to the reality you want to create. Try this nervous system reset. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in for 4 seconds. Hold for 7 seconds. Exhale slowly for 8 seconds. Repeat this 4 times. This technique has been shown to lower cortisol levels and shift your body into a calm, receptive state. When your mind and body are aligned, manifestation happens more easily, not because of magic, but because your brain is no longer preoccupied with perceived threats and can focus on opportunities and ideas that bring your desires to life. But even with a regulated nervous system, your brain still needs clear direction. That's why in the next section, we'll explore how to use visualization and repetition to rewire your mind for success. Brain hack number 4. Rewire your brain with visualization and repetition. Your brain doesn't know the difference between reality and imagination. That's why professional athletes mentally rehearse their performances before stepping onto the field, because visualization strengthens neural pathways just like real practice. And when it comes to manifestation, this same principle applies. Dr. Swart, neuroscientist, MIT lecturer, and author of The Source, The Secrets of the Universe, The Science of the Brain, explains that repeated visualization strengthens neural pathways, training your brain to expect and pursue your goals as if they're already real. Studies on neuroplasticity confirm that the more you mentally experience something, the more your brain rewires itself to align with it, shaping your beliefs, decisions, and the opportunities you attract. So, if you only visualize your desires occasionally, your brain isn't getting enough reinforcement. But if you repeat it daily, your brain starts treating your manifestation as a real, expected outcome. This shift is what moves you from wishful thinking to a scientifically backed process for rewiring your reality. Here's how to do it. Try this mental rehearsal exercise. Close your eyes and visualize your goal as if it's already happening. Engage all your senses. What do you see, hear, and feel? Imagine the emotions you would experience if this was already real. Write it down in the present tense. For example, I am so grateful for my thriving business. This process strengthens the same brain circuits that fire when you actually experience success, making your goal feel inevitable. But here's where most people go wrong. They stop at visualization. If you don't take action, your brain won't fully integrate the belief. That's why in the next section, we'll cover the missing piece: how to bridge thought to reality through action. But before we dive into the final brain hack, if you're enjoying this video, like it, share it with someone who needs to hear this, and subscribe to our channel for more science-backed insights for spiritual growth. Now, let's bring it all together with the final and most crucial step, turning thought into action. Brain hack number 5. Take aligned action to turn thoughts into reality. You can rewire your subconscious, regulate your emotions, and visualize your dream life. But without action, manifestation stays stuck in your mind. Your brain needs real-world proof to reinforce new neural pathways and make your desires a reality. Neuroscience shows that when you take action toward a goal, your brain releases dopamine, the chemical that boosts motivation and reinforces behavior. Research published in Translational Psychiatry highlights that dopamine plays a key role in maintaining goal-directed behavior, helping prevent the shift into automatic, habitual responses that don't serve your higher goals. This explains why people who consistently take small, intentional steps often seem to manifest effortlessly. It's not luck, it's science. Each aligned action releases dopamine, strengthening your brain's belief that success is possible. But here's where most people go wrong. They wait until they feel ready before taking action. In reality, action comes first, and belief follows. If your subconscious doubts your ability to succeed, start with small wins that prove otherwise. Here's how to train your brain: the 5-minute momentum move. Pick one small, aligned action toward your goal. Set a timer for 5 minutes and do it. Whether it's researching an opportunity, making a connection, or taking a step toward a skill you need. Repeat daily to lock it into your brain. When you take aligned action, manifestation shifts from something you hope for to something you create. By combining all 5 brain hacks, reprogramming your subconscious, training your reticular activating system, regulating your nervous system, visualizing success, and taking aligned action, you're not just manifesting your reality, you're actively shaping it. Which brain hack resonated with you the most? Drop the number in the comments, 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5, and let's see which one is the most powerful. Your brain strengthens what you repeat, so if you want manifestations to flow effortlessly, you need to make these brain hacks a habit. Watch the next video to learn how to turn them into daily habits that rewire your neural pathways for success.